What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's a cold, rainy day. We got rained out early from work, so I'm in here in the shop today. I'm gonna get this transmission out. I gotta get the sides off. I'm gonna take what I can off today. We gotta get this thing stripped down to the frame, and just I'm gonna replace a bunch of stuff, a bunch of parts, a bunch of front end parts. Just time to get it tore down. The other day we took the engines to the engine builder in Maysville, and I was going to film the whole process of, we did loading it and talking about it, which I'll show right here in a second after this next scene here. It'll be that, but I forgot to pick up the camera or the phone the rest of the day, so I didn't even get no films of it in the shop or whatever. So, but we'll try to film it, picking it up and stuff later on. But in the meantime, we got to get this thing ready. A lot to do. We'll be back. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's the day. Taking my blew up motor and taking the new engine that's already in there to the heart doctor, engine doctor, right? Yeah. So, yep. I forgot to pick up the phone, but we just now loading, so we're going to head and take them to Maysville, Kentucky to one of our buddies, and he's going to throw them together, try to pick them up this spring for testing, have them ready for testing tunes. So hopefully we'll have 2 motors ready to go. We'll be back. All right, we're loaded up. Both motors and parts. I gotta pick my heads up later and take time. We're gonna save this motor too, so get out of here. So today, just kind of want to focus on getting the sides off and get the transmission out. I'm by myself. The boys are in school. It's middle of the day, so we're gonna just do what I can. All right, let me find some tools. Here and this battery. Gotta get the rivets off here, the little heads here. I hope you guys can hear me. I'll try to speak up. I haven't got a microphone or nothing, but this is kind of give you an idea how slow things go in the shop, especially when you're by yourself. And really can't listen to the radio because one of my videos got, what do you call it, copyrighted, but I haven't played any music, just any kind of music in the background, anything. They'll get you out for copywriting, so can't really play music on the radio, so just kind of bear with me here. Better get this off, we'll get you on some kind of time lapse or something. But we'll see if we can get this sides off. Bad thing about it is, just put them back on, didn't we? Well, I can do it to keep one in the middle, that way it just ain't falling down on you, flopping around everywhere. Be alright past some good bits too. I'll unbutton them here in a second. these rivets off here again. The rivet heads, I should say. Well, broke my bit. Let's get another one. I got one. Let's see here. Yeah, we got it. Pulling the heads off all of them. Now I'm gonna get the transmission out and we'll go from there. We won't bore you too much more. I'll get you guys on a time lapse. I usually got the car jacked up and get the transmission out right, drive line out right and everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and jerk it out. I'm gonna keep the car together for now so we can go take and wash it real good. And what we're gonna do, I gotta get everything, I'm gonna put the battery, all that out. And we're gonna take the decking off, probably cockpit, rear, after we get everything done with the rear end out of it, we're gonna go through the whole car, probably powder coat it or paint it. Change parts, I'm gonna change some parts and this and that and go from there. As you seen, I got the transmission out. I got to, well, I'm gonna rebuild this thing too over the winter. Burnt transmission here. I'm gonna split it and I'm gonna take the bell housing over where my brother-in-law works at the radiator shop and clean and check it. Oh, and also hit me up if you guys need any aluminum welding on your bell housings. We can do it. Just let me know. And we can take care of it, see like how dirty it is and all that from racing all season. So get that cleaned out. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't have my big jack, I just got this little jack that halfway works. My big jack's in my trailer at home. So I'm gonna try to jack this thing up best I can. Get the drive, I gotta unbolt the drive line from the rear end. And then I'll take off the other side and top. Just get it ready for taking it and cleaning it real good. And then we gotta clean out the shop and stuff when we get back. That way we can set it up and strip it all the way down. So I'm gonna go and set that to the side right now. We'll get to that later. All right, I'm gonna try to jack it up some, get the drive line out, and see what we can do from there. Probably take the driver's side off and top. I don't know about the decking just yet, but probably. But I don't know about this video, but maybe next one. I need to get the battery out. Alright. Always make sure to get your tools up and out of here. That way you ain't having to get back under here to get it. Jack stands out. Drive line's out, got oil all over it, as you can tell. I'll probably be changing ball joints anyways, but we always keep the ones we change, well, ones that are good for a spare. So what I like to do is put tape around it, that way you don't lose the cuts. So you can let it sit here all winter and they won't go nowhere until you're ready to change them. just like so. If you can see, tape around it. That way your cups and bearings don't go everywhere. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, now we got the transmission and all that drive line out. We got to get all that transmission rebuilt too. Drive line cleaned up, get the car cleaned up. I'm gonna keep it together right now as a roller. That way we can, like I've said probably 100 times, I guess, in this one video, to take it and clean it up real good before we actually set it up for the winter and strip it. But we gotta get the rear, after we do all that, get the rear end out. I'm gonna do different stuff on the pull bar. I'm gonna change to bottom A-arms. I'm gonna change them up a bit. Probably just driver's side right now. Get the rest of the body off here. Thanks for hanging out today. We got some indoor cart stuff information coming out, so stay tuned on that. Like I said, we gotta get. I'll get you the information on that. Videos coming out. I gotta go and head home. I gotta pick the boys up here in a second. We got basketball games tonight, so I won't be back tonight. But keep watching, like, and subscribe. Thanks to Rusty Chains Tree Service. If you need any tree work, let us know. Eastern Kentucky. We'll travel for the right deals. Past that, so. Got a lot of content going to come out on this thing. Carts. We got diesel trucks. We'll probably do some content on diesel van. Just odds and ends. Just keep watching the channel. Thank you.